Birds are magnificent creatures. Descendants of the dinosaurs, they can be pretty surprising.
Birdwatching is truly mesmerizing if you know what to watch.
Dwarf kingfishers are one of the rarest birds in the world. They build their nests in underground tunnels. Cassowary are heavy-duty birds, weighing more than 100 pounds. It can hop up to 7 feet vertically, but flightless.
Frigate bird is one strange bird, and it forces other birds to regurgitate food.
The pilfering pirate of the bird kind. This is Shoebill, most evil bird in the world. It kills its siblings by bullying just to prove dominance. Some look extraordinary, like they descended from paradise. The male performs his courtship dance for hours in hopes of attracting a mate. Humans love greenery, and Kakapo took it seriously. But unlike humans, it only mates 3 times every 10 years. Arctic terns define the term wanderlust. They fly more than 80,000 kilometers per year. California condor does look surprising, but is very intelligent.
Its brain structure is similar to that of an octopus.
These avians do have breathtaking looks.